after you have worn your mask. In case there is smoke in the cabin, follow the luminous escape path along the aisle floor, which will guide you towards the emergency exits. Please read the safety instructions card placed in the seat pockets in front of you. There are 8 emergency exits on board this aircraft, 2 in the rear, 4 in the center, and 2 in the forward. Please ensure that your window shutters are open before takeoff and landing. In case of an emergency landing, keep your seatbelts fastened and bent forward. Stay in this position till the aircraft comes to a complete stop. In case of evacuation, unfasten your seatbelt, remove the pointed and hide your shoes. Thank you for your attention.